Now it's visible, right? The full paper. Okay, so let's start. What we have to do is, first we will make a circle. Whatever you have for making a circle, use it. Okay, I am using my rounder. And if you are having same A4 size now and rounder also, then you can go as per my measurements. Otherwise you can follow your whatever circular thing you have, you can follow that. Okay, see to it that it is not very small and not very large. Okay, I am taking one second, I'll take the middle of my page first. So how much is this A4 size? It's 29.4. so 14.7 will be my center. So 14.7 I am taking the center. You take the center of whichever size page you have. Okay, here it is 14.7 and from top it is 21 centimeter. So 21's half 10.5. okay, so 10.5, this is my center. Okay, you find out center of your page and take. You have to take the half measurement of your page from horizontal and vertical position. Okay, and then the intersection of both horizontal and vertical will be your center. Even if you draw a line for the intersection, that will be good because we will need it. Okay, I am taking this 3 inches and drawing a circle. First we will draw with a pencil, then later we will fill it with the pen and sketch pen. Okay, why we will do it with the pencil? Why we do it with a pencil? Because if any mistake happen, we can rub it. Okay, so can't hear your voice. My voice is not audible, guys. Sorry, now is it audible? Hello, just give me a hands up if my voice is audible now. Hello. Okay, it's audible. Thanks. Was it not audible before? Okay, so now after taking this making a circle, have you guys made a circle? No. Okay, then make. How you have to take? You have to take the center of your page. I have taken the center of my page and taken the intersection of that center. First this part I have taken and half kiya uska, this part I have taken and half kiya uska, I have got this center point. Okay, so after taking that center point, if you have the vessel, you place the vessel or the cap or whatever round thing you have, but take that as a center of that cap. Okay, otherwise you first make a circle एंड देन सी उसका सेंटर क्या आता है. टेक डायमीटर एंड देन मेजर कितना है उसका डायमीटर, एंड दैट डायमीटर का हाफ विल बी योर सेंटर. ओके. Yeah, I have repeated everything. Okay. Take the center of your paper by checking from left to right the distance and from top to bottom the distance, and make half of it, and that intersection means see, I'll draw the line also for you, because these line we will be needing it later also for our geometric design. Okay. So I am making that. तो यहाँ से यहाँ तक का डिस्टेंस का हाफ लेना है, एंड टॉप से बॉटम तक के डिस्टेंस का हाफ लेना है. दैट विल बी योर सेंटर. एंड जस्ट मार्क द लाइन. तो ये आपको सेंटर मिल जाएगा अपने. यू नीड द सेंटर ऑफ योर सर्कल. वॉट एवर यू हैव, इवन इफ यू हैव प्लेस्ड अ वेसल ना, टेक द डायमीटर और उसका हाफ विल बी योर सेंटर. सो that half you have to make these two lines. So this is your center, and these two diagonals we have drawn. Hope this much is clear. Any doubt, guys? Any doubt, guys? If you are not understanding, just let me know. Okay, so I hope this much is clear. Now we will move further. After that we have to I am marking this 1 inch distance. You can take if you are having A4 size paper, you can take same measurement as me. Otherwise whatever size square you want, take that. जितना बड़ा आपको स्क्वायर चाहिए, accordingly you take some distance, but keep it same. मतलब it has to be same, यानी horizontal and vertical. जैसे मेरा 1 इंच है तो मेरा vertical भी 1 इंच होगा. इफ यू आर टेकिंग 1 सेंटीमीटर तो आपका वर्टिकल भी 1 सेंटीमीटर होगा. ओके. सो जस्ट रिमेंबर दैट. आई एम मार्किंग 1 इंच on my this paper. Okay. And mark from the center of your center of your circle, that distance. That is important. Okay. जो भी आप लोगे, take it from the center. Like मेरे center से 1 inch this side, 1 inch this side. If you are taking 1 centimeter तो 1 centimeter this side and 1 centimeter this side. उस तरह से लोगे आप. ओके. यहाँ पे भी सेम वे, दिस साइड ऑल्सो. यहाँ पे 1 इंच, यहाँ पे 1 इंच, यहाँ पे 1 इंच, 1 इंच. ओके. सेंटर से हमें लेना है, बिकॉज वी नीड to focus on this to get that 3D illusion. Okay. So just mark from the center your measurement. Okay. If you are done marking the measurements, then draw lines. Right now don't draw inside. Okay. Okay, I'll show you. You just see how you have to draw lines. I'll make it darker with a pen also later. That time also I'll repeat the instructions if you are not able to follow. See, like this. अभी मुझे सर्कल छोड़कर लाइन बनाना है. सी, आई हैव लेफ्ट द सर्कुलर पार्ट and made where I have marked. I am going according to my marking. Okay, मैं randomly नहीं ले रही हूँ. Wherever I have marked that 1 inch, there I am going. So whatever, you can take any measurement of your choice, but see to it कि वो square form करे. Okay, so whatever you are taking horizontally, that only you have to take vertically, and center से pass होना चाहिए of your circle. It has to pass from the center of your circle. See this line ना, center of my circle, वो circle के अंदर से जाएगी, which we have done previously only. To show you guys, I have done that previously only. I'll check comments in after drawing these lines. Okay, right now I am not able to see the comments. The dots are not supposed to be visible. Okay, those are 1 centimeter. वो we don't need them. We just took it for our measurements. Okay, you can rub them. Okay, I am not able to understand. Okay, so I am repeating all the steps again. What you have to do, you have to take the center of your page. How you will take? First right to left measure करो. Whatever is the measurement, उसका half करना है. And if you don't know how to do half, then ask your parents कि कितना होता है मेरे पेज का half. I hope that all of you should be able to do half. Okay, so half of left top to bottom and left to right, that will be your center. उस center से आपको एक circle बनाना है. Okay, from that center you have to make one circle and draw this top to bottom and left to right. उसमें that we will be having as a center of our page. This line is the center of my page. It divides my page in 2 half, and this line also divide my page in 2 half. तो अगर आप कोई वेसल या कुछ ले रहे हो ना, तो सी टू इट कि वो सेंटर में हो. ओके, आफ्टर दैट अगर वेसल ले रहे हो और उसको ड्रॉ करने के बाद आपको नहीं पता चल रहा ना सेंटर, व्हाट यू डू, वेसल का मेजर जो सर्कल ड्रॉ किया उसका मेजरमेंट लो. टेक दैट मेजरमेंट और उसका आधा लो. ओके, टेक दैट हाफ, जो भी होगा. जैसे मेरे यहाँ पे 15 आ रहा है, तो मेरा 15 का हाफ कितना होता है? 7.5. सो 7.5 विल बी माई सेंटर. उसको मार्क करो. फिर वैसे ही इधर भी 7.5 मार्क करो. सी टू इट कि यहाँ पे भी आपका 15 जहां पे जाएगा ना, ऐसे 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 चेक करना. तो सर्कल में थोड़ा स्केल ऐसे ऊपर से नीचे घुमाना, सी कि कहाँ पे 15 आ रहा है. जो स्टार्टिंग में जो आया है मेजरमेंट, वही सेम मेजरमेंट में आपको इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट मिलेगा. दैट विल बी द सेंटर. ओके, सो दिस मच यू डू. आफ्टर दैट ये सेंटर से आपको 1 इंच पे मार्क करना है. इफ यू आर टेकिंग एन A4 size, do same as my measurements. If you are taking some other, then only you change your measurements. Okay, now I am marking the vertical ones. Oops, rubbed. Okay, I have rubbed that. Still I need them. 1 inch, 1 inch. Now I'll leave the circle and draw. This will form the chess type design, but inside we want it to look like a spear, इसलिए हम लोग अंदर का पार्ट छोड़ रहे हैं एंड डूइंग द आउटसाइड वन. हाँ, सेंटर वाली लाइन का आउटसाइड वाला भी करना है. सेंटर वाली लाइन का फुल कर सकते हो आप, हॉरिजॉन्टली भी और वर्टिकली भी. ओके ओके. सो वंस यू आर डन विद दिस राइट साइड, मतलब ये पूरा सर्कल के बाहर का, सर्कल में सिर्फ अभी 2 ही लाइन है जो सेंटर से पास हो रही है. आई विल मार्क इट डार्क so that you guys can see it properly. I'll do it with a sketch pen. Sketch pen is very light. Take a marker. Wait, let me first complete the inside part also of circle. So I'll show you what you have to do inside. You have to take this line and this line. Okay guys, whatever this side you are doing ना, अगर वो हो गया हो, should I wait or should I continue? Just let me know. You want me to first show you the inside part, or shall I continue this inside also and you will do to everything together later? It's coming blur. Okay, it is not blur, but it is not dark na, so you are not able to see. That's what. Okay, so as you can't see, I'll do one thing. I'll first draw the inside thing, okay, and then again I will explain you what you have to do when I'll do with it with the marker dark thing. Okay, ठीक है? So if you are able to see, you can do this, but I will wait after this. I'll not go forward because this is only important. Later part filling you can do alone also. So you have to make a semicircle here. Okay, like this. From both the lines you have to make a semicircle. I am drawing it lightly, but once I finish it, I will do it with a marker, then you will be able to see it properly. Okay, if you are understanding with the instructions, good. If not, then I will draw it with the marker. That time you will be able to see it properly. Okay. These are all curved lines. They will not be straight because it is a sphere and sphere is cylindric, means not round. एकदम flat नहीं होता. It's a 3D image ना. So all this will also be spherical only. तो curve ही रहेगी. Now I am going to do it with a sketch pen, so you will be able to see it more clear. Okay, so I will mark all this with marker, then you will be able to see. Now it will be more clearly visible. Okay. The center one I'll do with the scale only. It's very straight now. Center one you can complete it till outside because it will be same. I'll again explain you guys everything, don't worry if you are not able to follow. I'm making it darker so that I can explain you and you can understand and you can see and understand, because that pencil marks are very light now, so you guys might not be able to see what I am doing. Now I'll mark these lines also darker. They are at 1 inch. Okay. Okay, now hope the lines are visible and you guys can see them properly. Okay. Visible, right? Show the down part of the paper. Now I'll explain you as you will be able to see this. Okay. Achha, this side lines are still remaining. That's what. Let me complete that also, then I'll explain you. Shit, it was not supposed to go inside, guys. One mistake. Okay, this is a mistake, so don't look at that. We'll see if we can correct it somehow. White, no? This one is missing. That also will add. It's coming 2 2. Okay, so we are done with our this. Now I'll explain you everything. Okay, see, what we have to do is take a center of our circle. That is easy, right? Center of our this circle. Center, after taking the center, mark a standing line and a sleeping line from the center. That is done. Okay, after that, mark, take any measurement of your choice or take 1 inch. I have taken 1 inch. So mark 1 inch from the center. जैसे ये हमारे 7 है ना, तो 6 पे मार्किंग, 5 पे मार्किंग, 4 पे 3 2 1 एंड यहाँ पे 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, that way you mark it sleeping and standing also. Take the center and यहाँ से 1 inch, यहाँ से 1 inch, यहाँ से 2 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch, 3 inch. Okay, once this marking is done on both the sides, then draw the lines touching the circle. Circle तक ही touch करना है, don't take them inside. Inside we need like this pericle wali. Don't look at this, this is a mistake. So just touch them till the circle. Okay, once they are done, लेफ्ट साइड में टच करना है, राइट साइड में टच करना है. फिर इनसाइड में ओनली दिस 2 विल बी देयर, राइट? सो यू हैव टू मेक द रिमेनिंग वंस. जितनी भी लाइंस आपकी अब सर्कल पे इनकम्प्लीट रह रही है ना, दैट यू मार्क देम एज स्पैरिकल. ऐसे थोड़ी सी कर्व रहेगी, दे विल बी लिटिल कर्व. ओके, ऐसे थोड़ी सी कर्व रहेगी, वर्टिकल ऑल्सो एंड हॉरिजॉन्टल ऑल्सो, बोथ विल बी लिटिल कर्व. Okay, so any doubt? If any doubt, ask. Any doubt, guys, till these steps? If not, then complete this much and just give me thumbs up that it's done. We will move forward. Done, guys? Give me a thumbs up once done. Okay, one thumbs up I have got from Beena. Avni, done. Zaina. Okay, Avni has also done. One more thumbs up if I'll get, we'll move forward. Okay. Soumya has also given thumbs up. So we'll move forward. Now, the center that we have marked now, उसके पास वाला square we will start coloring. Coloring means marking it black. It's your choice, guys. Whichever colors you want to take, now you can take for the checks. But actually, I like this black and white combination only. So I will go with this black and white combination only and fill the checks. Okay, you can take this sketch pen only, or you can use colors also. You can use any colors, acrylic colors or watercolors or oil pastels also you can use. It's your choice. This, if we do with this sketch pen and all, it will take time for filling. We have to see to it that it doesn't go outside our boundaries. Okay. And make sure that your pen goes in a single direction. अगर आप sketch pen या something use कर रहे हैं ना, let it go from right to left or let it go from top to bottom. Okay. So this checks and after that उसके पास वाला और ऐसे diagonal जो रहेगा ना, that one. First we will fill in all the checks of our circle, means sphere, and then we will fill outside. Okay. Filling, guys. So we have to just fill it in our check style. जैसा chessboard, how we see in chessboard ना, same style. Leave one what we say, it's not square here inside, so leave one space and then fill the other one. Be careful not to make a mistake in filling this. एक छोड़कर एक ही बनाना है. If that doesn't happen, then the optical illusion will not work. Okay, so we have to be careful enough when doing it, otherwise what you can do, पेंसिल से मार्क कर दो कौन से स्क्वायर्स आपको पहले भरने हैं, and then you can do, so that the mistake doesn't happen. With sketch pens it takes time to fill. With crayons and other things you will be able to do it faster. Even with brushes it will be faster. But we have to have patience for filling the squares, because we don't want it to go outside the square boundaries. That's why it's a therapeutic art, where we focus fully on doing that artwork and our concentration is just in filling it. You are able to do, right? Any questions? It's very easy now, because the main part we have done of drawing, which was important. Now so we have to just fill the squares, and once the squares are filled I'll show you how to give little bit shading so that it gets more of a 3D effect. We will do shading to get our 3D effect. We are not able to see the whole circle. Okay, now okay, my mistake I can cover up. It's going in filling. So good that it will not be visible. It's okay to do mistakes. Only thing is we should learn from it and not repeat them. See, now circle we are almost about to complete the sphere. Feel it patiently, guys, okay? Don't let them come out of the borders. Okay, I'm done with the inside part. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Yeah, it's a different art. Now, once we are done with this, we have to start filling the outside ones also. So, see, ये इससे connecting है ना, that only we will fill. Okay, the same that is connecting that we have to fill. ये वाला नहीं करना है. Now this is connecting. So जैसे कि वो मुड़ गया हो ना, that effect we want. So same place where it is inside the sphere, that way that same place will cover outside also. That same place we will cover outside also with black color. Now this one, तो इसका parallel जो है, that first you cover this nearby your sphere, and then later we can fill outside वाले, because this is important. इसमें गड़बड़ हो गई ना, तो that illusion effect will not come. So what you have to do is just fill the connecting ones first. It can be, देखो यहाँ पे कितना छोटी सी जगह है, and it can be bigger size also, but you have to fill everything जो भी उससे connected है around the sphere, that all you have to fill first. Okay, everything connected one I have completed. You also complete all the connected ones first. Later we will do the outside ones. Filling requires patience, and that we have to have. Okay, so everything around the sphere I have covered. Now just we have to complete the whatever portion that is remaining. What are we learning? Name of this art? Okay, we are learning optical illusion. Okay, this is optical illusion for a sphere. This session will be saved on my YouTube channel. Okay, you can view it from there. I'll post the link once I upload on my YouTube channel. Okay, Creative Canvas has its YouTube channel. There all my previous live sessions are also available, wherein I have taught this 3D book, this Zendoodle bookmark. Its video is also available. It was my first live video when we completed 2 years. This was a Father's Day card, tuxedo card, which we have covered in last Friday. This is also available, and before that we have done this floral bouquet, and we made this flowers and everything in that class. That is also available. And once we have done this origami mobile holder, wherein you can keep your mobile like this. So all whatever that has been covered till now, everything is available on our YouTube channel. You can go and view them. Okay, so guys, completed this much. We'll move further and complete all the other squares also. Thank you. No problem. Even if you have missed it, they all are available on my YouTube channel, so you can go and do it as per your convenience, whatever time you find suitable. Okay, and if you have any doubt, you can DM me. I'll clarify. Okay. So now let's complete the remaining checks outside the sphere, and once all these are completed, we'll move forward to give it a little bit 3D effect by shading little bit. Okay, we'll give it a little bit shadow to make it more real. And we have paid workshop also. This month we had acrylic canvas painting theme. So we are already done with 2 workshops. One was jellyfish, other one was a landscape, and now we have one more schedule for this Sunday. It's tree of life. All the details are available on our page. You can check them. You can even view what last time it's done by kids, by a few ladies and kids have joined those workshops. All their paintings I have put up on my page. We have our Facebook page, Facebook channel, as well as Instagram page also. Okay, so you can get all the details on at all the places. YouTube channel is having all the free workshops available on it, everything that we did till now, and so you can take the advantage even if you missed them. This origami mobile holder was very hit, and even the Father's Day one was also very hit, because kids made lots of tuxedo card and gifted their fathers. And mobile holder nowadays everything is going online, so we need our hands to relax, and at the same time our mobile should not topple down. So that also many kids have made and even gifted their parents also. Nowadays, even if both the parents are working, they also need it. We can't keep holding, our hands will start paining. So you can make origami mobile holder also. It's very nice if we have something which we can make it without going outside. Just a A4 size paper you will require. Actually I have 2 origami mobile videos. One is bit easy and little the other one is little tricky one I have taken in the live workshop, and easier one I have just put the video. Easy one has one disadvantage, because on that our mobile can be kept only in landscape mode, not portrait mode. And the difficult one has the one which I have shown you right now, that both the ways we can keep. But in that little bit tricky steps are there at the end. Which side you have to flip and which side you have to fold, you have to keep a very sharp eye. If you follow the steps properly, you will be able to make, because many of my students have tried it and made it, so you guys can also make. And more workshops will be scheduled in the coming month, July month, so keep an eye on the page, everything will be updated there. Hope you guys are enjoying this art. Topic name of today. I video will get notifications. If you mark, you will get notifications. Thank you. You just visit my channel and take advantage of it. If you feel sorry guys, I am reading your comments now because this mobile stand is little higher, so I'll when I'm doing my work I cannot see your comments. If we fill colors of the checks of say red color, should we make the circle outline with red pen? Yeah, because that will be your sphere ka color only, right? So make it with red. Today's topic is optical illusion art, and it's of a sphere. Guys, should I show you shading, or you want to complete it with me? Because this filling you can do now easily. Just let me know. You want to complete it, means I should complete it with you guys, or you will complete it later? I'll show you the shading. Please comment what you want me to do. Outer square became small. Acha, this one. Okay, thank you so much. You made it look so easy, and we are able to make it. Okay, thank you, ma'am. But still, if you want to give it 3D effect ना, we will do shading. उससे वो बहुत अच्छे से दिखेगा that it is a 3D. It will give a nice illusion. So this is giving a illusion of a 3D effect, but still little bit is missing. If we give the shadow and all na, it will look more nice. And please guys, don't forget to DM me your pics, okay? Whatever illusion, this optical illusion you have made, just send me in messenger a pic of it. I'll be glad to see what you guys have made, and you guys learn something new. I have lots of optical illusion things in mind. Maybe I'll put up in July, not June. June is going to get over. But yeah, for all optical illusions you need to have patience, no doubt. If you have patience, you can make it. Art requires patience, and that's why it helps us to relieve stress, increase concentration, and help in various ways. I'll complete this near this spherical. ये साइड वाला will complete later. Okay, you guys can also complete later. You might also want to know the shading part, that is important, and later you can complete this. Okay, so मैं थोड़ा सा बस near to this spherical I am completing a little bit, so that we get a proper 3D illusion how it will look. Sides we can complete later. Make your strokes in one direction, okay? That will make it look neat. See, if you will in a hurry, you might spoil it. So do it nicely, slowly, patiently. Okay, all the boxes near the spherical are covered now. So I will move to shading part. Shading we will do with the pencil, okay? Simple or pencil. We'll take it. Are you going to give the shading? Yes, yes, we are going to give. Ma'am can't hear you. How is the shadow done in this drawing? Still we have not done the shadow. Zaina, can you hear me now? Can you hear me, guys? Just let me know. Okay, so we'll think that as if the light is falling from this side, and we'll do the shading here down. Okay, so let's take a pencil. Okay, I'm taking my pencil, and then just draw a curve. We will draw a curve near our this half part. Half circle ka curve we will draw. Okay, so this much curve I have drawn, and then very lightly you have to do with the pencil like this shading. Okay, एकदम lightly करना है. Don't press your pencil hard. So like this you have to fill that half, not half, that part, that semicircle part that we have drawn. Very less. Okay, it will be छोटा सा size. Okay, not bigger size. थोड़ा सा जैसे शेडो वाला रिफ्लेक्शन आता है ना, दैट वे. everything under that sphere will have this shadow thing. Okay, now this is done. What you have to do is take little bit of cotton or a rough cloth. I'm taking a rough cloth, and with rough cloth I'll smudge it. Sorry, I got one call. Okay, like this you have to smudge it. It's looking very light, so I'll make it little more darker. थोड़ा सा और pencil, once more I'll add pencil. You check how is yours looking. Okay, if it's looking very light, make it little darker, but don't press your pencil too hard. Okay, and you have to keep your pencil in sleeping position. See how I am holding my pencil, sleeping position. Standing में रखोगे ना, it will make marks of pencil, and we don't want marks of pencil. Okay, we just want the black color from the pencil, and it will come with the sleeping position only. So like this, again smudge it with cotton or with rough cloth, whatever is available. And near the sphere now make little darker. Okay, just near the edges press your pencil little hard and make it darker. So we will have a illusion of darker to lighter shade of shadow. Okay, and smudge it also little bit. Just near the circle we will have a darker shade. Okay, so it's giving an illusion, right? Till you are satisfied, keep doing darker and lighter combination. Darker will be near the circle and lighter will be away from the circle. Okay, so this is now that the light is falling from this side and here the shadow is coming. Unable to see. Okay, I'll zoom it a little. Now able to see this part I have done darker shading near the sphere. Okay, and थोड़ा सा दूर लाइट कलर. जैसे शेडो दूर जाता है it becomes little lighter ना, that illusion. And after that with the cloth or with the cotton you can smudge it. Okay, so this way it's giving the shadow wala effect. Normal pencil, yes, this is a normal pencil. I'm using which Apsara, extra dark. Even if your pencil is like ऐसे डार्क नहीं है ना, तो यू कैन जस्ट प्रेस इट अ लिटिल एंड इट विल कम डार्क, या 2-3 बार कर दो. ओके, एंड कीप इट इन स्लीपिंग पोजिशन. वी डोंट वॉन्ट द पॉइंटी marks to be visible. It does not cover in camera. What? Shadow is not covering. I'll zoom kya little more. Now okay, it has to be darker and darker near the spear, and later it will be light image, means light shadow. Can you see the difference now? See, from here the light is falling this side, so the shadow is going that side. I'll post a complete image after completing this part also on my FB page, okay? And you guys also share your work with me, okay? Hope you guys enjoyed it. You also complete. Any doubts? If you have any doubt, just ask me, because now I am ending this session. Is anything not clear? And rub the extra lines if they are visible, okay? My pencil line is visible, so I'll rub the extra lines, and I'll post the complete picture after finishing this part. Okay, thank you everyone for joining in. It was nice that you all guys have joined in and made this art patiently with me. Okay.